In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your Webflow forms with Slack. To do that, you need to install our Formfic app. An installation video link should pop up on top right of this video. Please click that link, see that 1-minute video, and then come back to this video for further steps. Now I am assuming you already saw that video, so let's continue. So first of all, I am going to add a form block here. Then you need to click apps and launch Formfic. Then click Slack. So we need a webhook URL. So all you have to do, we have a integration guide here where you can go to Slack integration and then you will find a Slack API apps link. So you need to go there and then create a new app. So you need to click blank app, continue, and name the app Formfic connector. Then you need to click a workspace here and then click create. It will not take you to these options. You need to click incoming webhooks, enable webhooks. Now click add new webhook. So it will now go to this authorization. You need to select a channel, for example. Let's say I select social channel and then click allow. So here is a webhook URL here. Now I'll copy this webhook URL and paste this here. Click save and connect. Now we need to go back and go to forms. So here all of your form within this website will appear. For example, you only have one form, so that's why it's appearing here. So we click email form, we enable Slack. That's all. Now let's go ahead and publish this. Now if we go back to the website, let's fill up. Now if we submit and if we go to our Slack, as you can see, the submission has appeared here and a submission will also go to your email as well. So that's how you can connect Webflow forms with Slack. Thank you.